teknologi tinggi. Okay, alright, ladies and gentlemen, ini adalah anda punya SPSS, betul? Okay, buka SPSS anda. Dah buka dah? Ke ada yang baru nak install? Kalau ada yang baru nak install, selamat menginstall lah. Okay? Baik, dalam SPSS ada 2 tab. Apa dia? Ada 2 tab. Yang pertama dinamakan sebagai variable view. Yang kedua dinamakan sebagai data view. Okey, anda cuba klik sekarang kedua-duanya. Cuba klik. Apa jadi? Variable dan juga data view. Kliklah, klik. Bila saya suruh klik, klik je lah. Sampai bila encik nak klik? Klik je lah sampai bila-bila pun. Dah klik dah? Okay, what is the difference? Okay, let me share with you what is the difference. The difference is very simple. Variable is where you want to set up your variable. Variable is where you want to set up your variable. Whereby, the data view is where you want to put your data. Okay, so the first thing that you need to set in your SPSS, you need to set your variable. Okay, so how you want to set your variable? So first of all, go to the variable tab. Ini namanya variable tab. Dah pergi dah? Okay, kemudian kita lihat questionnaire kita ataupun responses daripada questionnaire kita yang dalam bentuk Excel tu ada beberapa variable. Betul? Ini namanya variable. Contoh yang pertama, nama variable kita adalah type of profession. Betul tak? Yang pertama namanya profession. Terdiri daripada 2 attributes. Betul? Attributes pertama nursing, attributes kedua adalah health. Correct or not? Very good. So now, the computer cannot read the word. Ni, perkataan huruf ni tidak boleh dibaca oleh kepala otak komputer. So we must train the computer to read by numbers. So how to do that? Never mind, I will teach you. Okay, first of all, go back to your go back to your SPSS. This is your SPSS, right? So now we are going to set up our variable. It's a very simple process. Make sure you follow me closely. Don't unfollow, try to follow. Okay, the first one. Make yourself familiar with the first thing first is ID. You write there ID. What is ID? ID is actually a sequence of numbers. Why we need ID? Why? So that we can trace back our respondents punya answers. Because we don't want the real name. Because the research should be anonymous. Otherwise, it's not being approved by the Medical Ethics Board. So, make sure you assign everybody using the ID. After that, you click enter. You press the enter button. What happened? Automatically, the type of the ID will be set as numeric. Correct or not? What is this? This is actually the jenis, the type of variable that you want to instruct the computer to understand with. So you can change this one actually. You go into this button, you got 3 dots. You see the 3 dots there? Try to click that dot. After you click this dot, the computer are going to give you option so that you can instruct the computer, this is the type of data that I want. For example, I want the data in terms of date, in terms of money, in terms of currency and whatsoever. And then one of it that is very important is the string. String is where you want to put the data in the form of huruf. Apa dia? Alphabet. But of course, the computer cannot analyze the alphabet, okay? Especially the statistical software lah. Statistical software akan baca numbers sahaja. Therefore, always set your data into numeric condition. Unless you buat kajian eksperimen. You buat kajian eksperimen, you nak kena letak nama kan? Contohnya Ahmad 1, Ahmad 2. So, Ahmad itu adalah benda indikator sahaja. Tak boleh analisis pun. Faham tak? Faham kan? Okay. Tolong klik cancel. Cancel Okay. Width apa dia width? Width adalah label. Pandai. Decimal. Tempat perpuluhan. Label. Label is where you want to put all the longer details of your label. Example, this label, I'm going to make it empty. I don't want to write anything. Why? Because I'm so lazy. You want to write, you write lah. It's okay. And then the next one is the values. Please listen to this information. Values only you are going to set, only, apa dia? Only you set this one if your data is nominal or ordinal. Again, I make a repetition. Only you set this one for nominal or ordinal scale data. Never ever set this one for numeric data. You got what I mean? Only set this one. So what we want to set, after this I teach you, no problem. The next column is called missing. What is the missing? Missing is where you want to set the missing values. Sometimes in your research, in your data that you collected from the medical record department have some missing data. You got what I mean? Missing data? Forgot to key in, forgot to capture, the respondent neglected to give the information. All these things we call it as a missing data. So how you want to manage the missing data? We instruct the computer with a certain coding. Okay, you can click this one. If you see this one, we can set the missing data. Example, I'm going to click this option, discrete missing value, and I'm going to write something. Example, 999, 999. So anybody who are being recorded as 999, what does that mean? That means the data is missing. Itu example SHJ. Faham? Tapi dalam kita punya data ni ada tak missing? Mustahil. Sebab apa mustahil? Sebab everybody must put their answers right before move into the next question. You remember yesterday you key in or your son key in for you? You key in yourself, right? Very good. Okay, cancel it please. The next one is the column. Column also is about the size. The next one is the alignment. Alignment is only for aesthetic. Tahu aesthetic, nak bagi cantik lah supaya nampak tengah ke tepi ke bertempior ke kanan ke kiri. And then the measures. The measures is one of the other important setting that you need to set for the computer. So in this case, let it be to the scale. Why? Because ID is just a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 41 respondent. Correct or not? Correct or not correct? Correct. Very good. So now, we are going to focus on our first variable. We call it as A1. Why A1? Suka hati saya lah nak letak nama apa. Awak nak letak nama X1 pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. A1. A1 ni apa? A1 saya pun tengoklah dekat dalam my Excel. So if I looking back into my Excel, I find out that the A1, I'm going to coding it as a profession. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to label the first one as profession. Profession. You got what I mean now? So kita katakan komputer punya kepala otak, wahai komputer, A1 itu adalah profession. Faham? Kemudian, as I mentioned to you, you need to set if your data is nominal or ordinal. Only use this one untuk data nominal ataupun ordinal scale. Betul? So, profession adalah skala ataupun data numerik. Jawapan dia adalah bukan. Profession adalah jenis data nominal. Betul? Betul ke tak betul? So, you are going to set it. You are going to set it. So, please click the 3 dot there. You dah klik 3 dot there. Dah? And then you are going to teach the computer. Wahai computer, I'm going to put number 1. And then please make sure you understand that number 1 is being labeled as nursing. So, you type nursing. And then you click add. Ataupun you can press the enter button. Similarly, for the next one, number 2. Why I choose number 1 and number 2? Can I choose number 1 and number 6? Up to you. Up to you. So I'm going to make it easier. Number 1 is nursing. Number 2 is allied health. So I'm just going to write here allied health. After that, I'm going to click the enter button. Yes, Puan. Not necessarily. You can change after this. No problem. Because what we are going to manipulate in the Excel is just taking a few seconds. Just 1 second like that, boom. The nursing just now become number 1. You want to learn how to make it change like that? Boleh. I will show you after this. The magic will happen after this. Nampak? Maksudnya your friend is already understand. But Dia sangat-sangat berdebar-debar. Macam mana jadinya nanti ni? Nanti kita buat terus lepas ni. After that, you are going to click OK. If you click cancel, you do it again and again until the end of the day. Okay, finish? Alright, so I'm going to click OK. So automatically the computer mind already understand. If this column, I put number 1, it's meant nursing. If number 2, it's meant allied health. So, let us go to the Excel now. Because your friend already asked this question kan? It's very good. So now kita pergi pada Excel kita. So your friend already asked about a question. Macam mana nanti nak jadikan benda ni kepada number. Betul tak? Betul ke tidak? Betul. So the easier way to do is just Control F. So I show you now. First of all, highlight. Apa dia? Highlight. The next one, you tekan Control H. Control H. You tahu tak CTRL tu maksudnya control? Tahu kan? Ke tak tahu? Tahu ke tak tahu? Kalau tak saya nak tunjuk keyboard macam mana bentuk dia. Awak tekan Control H. Control H, that's mean replace. What you want to replace. So now you are going to instruct the Excel. Please find what. Nampak? Dia berkelip-kelip tu dia tanya. Find what? Kita tak tahu. So kita tulis nursing. Kita tulis nursing. Dah? Dah belum? Lepas tu dia tulis itu replace with. Betul tak? Kita tekan number 1. Dah. Kita tekan replace all. Sepelit second it will change everything. Change already? Change. Very good. So if you are lazy to type, awak ni pemalas nak menaip, you can also highlight and copy. So contoh allied health allied health saya copy. Allied health saya copy, saya akan gantikan dengan nursing, saya paste dan saya replace with number 2. But before you click the replace all, you must highlight the column. Otherwise, it will change everything in other columns also. Okay? After that, you click replace all. So, replacement already being made. Dah sudah belum? Dah sudah kan? So, now, our nursing is already being changed into number 1. And allied health already being changed into number 2. Correct or not? Very good. So now, nanti saya datang, kejap. So now, let us copy and paste. See how it's look like. Okay? So what you want to copy? Look at this. You pergi dekat the first one. And then you pergi ke bawah. You tekan shift. You tahu shift? Shift dan select semua tu. Kalau tak nak buat macam gini pun tak apa. You ambil atas ni, you select lah sampai ke bawah. Sampai nombor 41. Dah. Dah kan? You tekan copy. Copy. Dah copy dah? Kemudian anda pergi ke anda punya SPSS. Dah pergi SPSS dah? Jangan pergi kepada variable view. Instead of going to the variable view, please go to your data view. Pergi kepada data view. Pergi ke data view. Awak nampak tak ada tulis A1 dekat situ? Tolong right click dekat the first row. Klik dekat situ untuk tekan paste. Okay, right click. Klik kat sini. Lepas tu right click tekan paste. Apa jadi? Dia akan tulis nombor kan? Dia akan tulis nombor ataupun dia keluar perkataan nursing. Keluar tak? Keluar ke tidak? Keluar nombor. Okey. Kalau dia keluar nombor, dia tak keluar perkataan ataupun dia keluar perkataan tak keluar nombor, anda perlu perhatikan satu butang ini. Namanya butang syak dudu. Ni butang syak dudu. Pergi ke butang syak dudu here. Namanya value label. Dah? Okey, cuba klikkan dia. Baby shark de baby shark de. Dia tukar tak? Baby shark. Bila dia tukar maknanya coding anda betul. Okey? Faham?